Hello and welcome back. Let's see the solution to higher than 75 marks, an SQL question on HackerRank. Query the name of any student in the students table who scored higher than 75 marks. Order your output by the last three characters of each name. If two or more students both have names ending in the same last three characters, example, Bobby and Robbie, both the student names end with the same three characters, BBY ends with BBY. We, in that case, have to secondary sort the students by ascending ID. So this question mainly has three parts. First, we are going to filter the names that got marks greater than 75. And also, we are going to sort the names based on the last three characters of the names. And also, if any two or more names end with the same three characters, we are going to sort them in ascending order by ID. So we have this table for students. Only three students got marked higher than 75, 81, 76, and 84, and we are going to output them in this order. Only the names. They're sorted by last three characters of their names. LEY is less than LIA, and LIA is less than VET. So let's first query all the names. We are asked to query only the names. So I'm going to select name from students. Let's see how many students we got. So we have total 25 students, and we are going to filter and print only those students having marks higher than 75. So we can apply a where clause where marks is greater than 75. So out of 25, only 17 students got marks higher than 75. So to sort them based on the last three letters of their names, we gotta extract the last three letters from each name. To extract a substring from a string in SQL, we got a function to do that called substring. Let's say we want to have a string and we want to print a substring of this string. We can use the substring method. Let's select substring, how many characters we want. We want to start from first index, and we want to extract only two characters. We can use the substring method. Let's run the code. It's going to print only JA, the first two characters. And if we want to start from second character and go all the way to the end of the character, end of the string, and extract this substring AVA, we pass 2 here, AVA. And if we want to extract characters or substring from end of the string, we can pass minus here, telling the SQL to start counting from backward. So it's going to take the last two characters. It's going to print VA only. So this way we can extract the last three characters from the names. So we are going to order by substring of name, and we want to extract the last three characters. We pass -3 to start counting backwards from end of the string. So let's run that. It has ordered the names based on their last three characters. And also, if any name have the same last three characters, we are going to order them by ID in ascending order. By default, they are sorting or ordering by ascending, so we don't have to pass ascending here. Let's run the code. It's accepted, and let's submit it. It passes the test cases. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.